Now it's available at McCarthy Cars Volvo XC60 diesel 9 plate 2009 metallic grey. Car has front xenon lights, got front daylights. Car has privacy rear glass. Car has rear parking sensors, has reversing camera. Has split folding rear seats. Full black leather interior, it's got side and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX, for electric window, it's got electric and folding mirrors. Car has satellite navigation, has reversing camera. Push button to start, heated seats, keeping lane assist, got blind spot system, automatic transmission, has 2 central cup holders, it's got aux and USB, multifunction steering wheel. Thank you for watching.